Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sunu's Soulful Cooking. Today we are going to make a delicious Paneer Biryani. To start with, take paneer cubes in a bowl. Add salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of oil in which onion slices were fried. Mix it well. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, shallow fry the paneer cubes. Just fry the paneer cubes for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it aside. Heat ghee in a pan along with little oil. Add the whole spices. Jeera, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Then add chopped onions. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized onions. Add salt and cook till it turns golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder. Then add 1 tablespoon red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add whisked curd. When it is cooked, add tomato puree. Here I have taken 1 tomato. Cook for a few minutes, then add boiled water and make a thick masala. Add kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add fried onions and the paneer cubes. Mix it gently. Now switch off the flame and add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Boil water in a pan, add the whole spices along with green chillies. Add the soaked basmati rice and salt. Boil till the rice is cooked till 80%. Now drain the rice. Take a thick bottomed pan. Apply ghee. Add the paneer masala. Add juice of half a lemon and top it with chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now layer the rice. Add saffron soaked in milk, then fried onions and some fried cashew nuts. Add chopped coriander and mint leaves and finally add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Seal the pan with an aluminium foil. Cover it with a lid and cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our delicious, spicy and flavorful Paneer Biryani is ready to serve. I have given the recipe in description. Please do try. Thank you for watching.